Holy shit. What are we doing here? What's up, guys? It's like minus 20 outside. Just picked up a watch. And I'll show you guys how to defend yourself against your wife. Let's see. Hello. Wow, look, she's so nice. What's up, guys? So I drove like an hour in like minus 20 degrees weather just to get this watch right here. I'm excited, man. Let's unbox it. You guys ready? Oh my gosh, bro, I'm shaking. All right, here we go, guys. Oh, look at that. If you guys don't know it yet, Longines released a new version of Spirit. It's called the Spirit Pilot 39. This is the watch right here. Ooh, that's sexy. Alright. Let's remove these tags. Bear with me here. It's really fresh. This one hasn't been sized, so I have to do that as well. So I actually sold my Tudor Pelagos 39 a few weeks ago because I think this watch is just much better in terms of everything. Personally, I wasn't looking for a diver. I don't use the diver bezel function much, so I was just looking for a time only kind of go anywhere, do anything watch. And this is the watch that I saw after a few videos, watching a few videos. Oh man, I'm in love. Gilt dial. I had a Black Bay 58 before too, and a Black Bay 54. But the Tudor snowflake hands, it's not for me. I tried 3 Tudors, and every single time I said, oh, that snowflake hand, it's killing the design. But this one, oof. Oh man, sorry. I don't know what to say. All right, let me try to size this.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. Whew. That was some sweaty activity. It's always scary to size your own bracelet. Unfortunately, when we picked up the watch, the watchmaker wasn't there, so oh well. Here it is now. Just look at the dial. I'm gonna read some specs for you guys. Case diameter is 39 mil. Sweet spot. Thickness is 11.5 millimeters. Perfect for a Gada watch. Lug to lug 46.9. Lug width is 20. So that's like the main selling point of this watch for me. It's 20-meter lug width, and look at this. You guys can see that, but there's a try to focus here. There's a micro adjust here. Finally. Here we go. So in Canada during the winter, you can put it on the tightest, and then when it's summer, you just flip it up. Perfect. I used to have the 37mm version, the blue dial. I'll show it to you guys here, but the problem, I guess, for that one is the wearability is 37, maybe a little bit too small, but the biggest one would be the micro adjust. So I always had a problem kind of wearing that as an everyday watch because my wrist swells during the summer. But this one solved all that problem. I think I have like a 7 inch wrist or 6.75, so I think it fits well. I'll try to show you guys more. What am I trying to say? I'm just stunned. Some specs I forgot to mention is 100 meters water resistance, screw down crown, finally. 37 didn't have that. You can, of course, you can wind this. No ghost date over there, so that's good. So this is a caliber L888.4. It's a chronometer certified. It's silicon balanced hairspring, and yeah, that's it. Like, I think this is one of the best watches, that Longines have right now. I was debating between this and the Zulu 39, but since I don't travel much, this Pilot, I think this one is this is it. The replacement of all my Tudors. So I had the Pelagos 39, Black Bay 58, 54. I used to have a Rolex Explorer in 36, but since I gained so much weight, that 36 looked dainty. Maybe that's just me. And then an Omega Seamaster, which is 42, which is too big for my wrist. So this is the Goldilocks size for that, for a watch for my wrist. Not too big, not too small. Micro adjust on the fly. Come on, guys. Just get this watch.